Those who have a desktop computer at home will typically have a keyboard and mouse. Usually, these two input devices are connected to the CPU of the desktop. For laptop users, both are built into the laptop itself, with a keyboard and a mouse touchpad. Some users prefer not to use the laptop's built-in keyboard and touchpad, so they connect an additional USB keyboard and mouse to the laptop and use them instead. The question arises, when we already have a keyboard and mouse with the desktop computer, why should we have an additional keyboard for our laptop? In this video, we are going to explore this topic. To work on a computer, a keyboard and mouse are very necessary, and similarly, for a laptop, the keyboard and touchpad are essential. Nowadays, people want to set up a computer studio for their regular work or YouTube activities. They often opt for a good computer table and a large 24 or 27-inch monitor, connecting it to a CPU along with a keyboard and mouse. Sometimes, users also have a laptop, but they prefer using a normal keyboard and mouse, similar to a desktop computer, when they are at home. Additionally, they like to connect an external monitor for a better view. The reason they connect the laptop to a home monitor is to have a better and bigger display. Nowadays, computer monitors come with multiple inputs such as VGA, HDMI, and DP. Both desktop computers and laptops' video outputs can be easily connected to these monitors, and users can switch between them by selecting any one input at a time. The monitors often have a selector switch to choose the input as per the user's choice. However, the challenge arises when working with both a desktop computer and a laptop, as we need two keyboards and two mice. This challenge can be solved by a device known as a KVM switch, which stands for Keyboard, Video, Mouse Switch. I have a KVM switch that supports connecting two computers with one keyboard and mouse. On one side of the KVM, there are two USB ports, one connected to the desktop computer and the other to the laptop. On the other side, there are four USB ports. I have connected an external hard drive, a keyboard, a mouse, and a headphone dongle. The KVM switch has a selector switch, which allows me to choose either the desktop computer or the laptop. When I select the desktop computer, the keyboard, mouse, external hard drive, and microphone are connected to it, and when I select the laptop, all these devices switch to the laptop without any delay. This way, I can use one set of devices for two computers. If you have a similar problem, I recommend trying out a KVM switch. I hope this video helps you in fixing your issues. If you like this content, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more fixing videos. Thank you.